But let the Lord guide me, shield me and hide me, so I can shed the light whenever anybody finds me. Look at the Bible and do what he assigned me. Even if I sin, he never leave, he still got me. Even if I make mistakes, I'm not perfect, but people only see what you're showing on the surface. Do it for the Lord, in the end it's all worth it. Open up my heart when I kneel down and worship. I pray for guidance and patience to keep it going. I'm a Christian and now it's time for me to show it. Be proud, be loud, everybody know it. Lord, give me the strength so I can keep it glowing.